Remember the old kit and caboodle comment? Well, here we are, the kit and caboodle. Let your eyes glaze over the figure on the screen while I chat a bit about some of the finer points included with your membership. First up, complete access to the What to Offer software so you can easily make kick-butt real estate offers in seconds. No kidding. Easily determine your exit strategy, flip, rent, or assign before you make your offer. Easily determine what interest rate and terms you'll need on your cash flow rental deals. Easily determine what the detailed repair costs will be for your geographic area. Easily determine your cash-on-cash return. Next up, complete access to the coveted What to Offer membership area where you'll have access to What to Offer instructional videos so you can learn all of the nitty-gritty details to put together your deal. You'll be able to take a real deep look into the numbers and see if they make sense. What to Offer training sessions so you can join our live question and answer sessions to get your tough questions answered and find out what works best now. Free real estate related hints and tips so you can catch up on all of our latest tips and tricks as they spill from our brains. Ouch. And last but not least, complete access to the What to Offer support area where you can look at the knowledge base and frequently asked questions. You can change and reset your password. You can submit a support ticket if you need that special attention. So let me ask you something personal. How much access do you think you'll get out of the What to Offer software to make kick-butt offers? And how much access do you think you'll get out of the What to Offer membership area for some awesome advanced training if you do not sign up for the free trial? The answer, of course, is 0. So just click on the Try It Free button and I'll see you on the other side.